Hi. Today we would like to present about PLC design of an automated manufacturing station. Okay, this is our team member. Firstly, Ahmad Mulhim, Muhammad Taufik, Muhammad Syabil Haziq, Sikri Hakim, Muhammad Saiful Amri, Muhammad Zulfikri, and lastly me, Nur Batusha Iman. Okay, for in this presentation, we will cover about introduction, functional, discussion, and conclusion. Firstly, this is introduction to MAP system. A robot manipulator is a multi-segment electronic control apparatus that it was accomplished task by interpret with its surrounding. They are also known as frequently known as a robotic arm in this industrial production. Robotic manipulator are widely employed. So next, I will pass to Taufik to share more detail about MAP system.
Okay, for the functional, same as default, sequence operation, PLC, I/O addressing table, electrical diagram, electropneumatic diagram. For additional ladder diagram, as you can see, the additional we make is on the additional connector 0.10 as auto, which is the signal for the next continuous movement and is placed at step 1. The emergency button will be placed at each reset step. At the bottom of the ending, the last step will be connected to lamp 10.04, so there is no movement for MAP 201, only on the movement of map 202. PB2 is for the stop button if there is an emergency while running the machine. For MAP 202, on the PLC input 0.08 as an additional connection and or in step 1. It will automatically turn on the step on MAP 202. At the end of the operation, the output of step 14 will be connected to connection to the LAN 10.05. For map 203, on the PLC input will be connected to the additional connection which is 0.10 on the ladder diagram connected at step 1. On the output side, the last step will be connected to LAMP 10.06. For MAP 204, on PLC MAP 204, additional connection will be used, which is 0.09 auto, connected in step 1. At the output, the last step will be connected at 10.05 to turn on the lights. After MAP 204 finish the operation, MAP 201 will turn on the operations.
Next, I will talk about discussion. The programmable controller was digitally electronic, which memory for storing the instructions that will implement a specific function. There is logic sequencing, timing, counting, and arithmetic to control machine and process. It was the general purpose which medium and large control scale. It is easy to maintain and has high reliability and economic efficiency that advantage small, medium, and large operations. Next, I will pass to Saiful Amri.
Lastly, for conclusion, this project is to construct, develop, and design 4 types of map. The combination flow of map 201 to map 202 to map 203 to map 204. We learn to design Grafcet diagram from manufacturing and industrial process based on the map that has been constructed. We know the procedure to convert the Grafcet into a ladder diagram. The particular reason for this circumstance is to convert must include 3 components: such as transition, firing equation, latching equation, and power circuit. Thank you.
Thank you for the previous presenter. My name is Muhammad Zulfikri Belazri. I will present about MAP 201. Before that, all the cylinder that used on MAP 201 is a single cylinder solenoid. Next, on MAP 201 have 8 sequence that is A plus, C plus, C minus, A minus, B plus, B minus, D plus, and last one is a D minus. For the output address, we keep in touch to put 28.00 as the final address and 10.04 for turn on the emergency orange lamp that remind us all the program on MAP201 have finished. Then it will transfer and continue the program to MAP202. For the process operation MAP201, for the first condition, cylinder A will extend, then cylinder C will extend too. Next, cylinder C will retract back, and cylinder A will retract. Next, cylinder represent for B plus will extend, then it will be a B minus and retract. Last one for the cylinder D plus, it will extend, and cylinder D will retract, mean it on D minus condition.
My name is Zikril Hakim bin Zainal Abidin and I will explain a little about map 202. The sequence on map 202 have 14 steps starting with B plus, V plus, B minus, A plus, B plus, V minus, B minus, B plus, V plus, B minus, A minus, B plus, V minus, and B minus. The additional input to receive a signal from MAP201 is 0.08, while the output to give a signal to MAP203 is 10.05, and it also light up a red light. The type of cylinder on the map 202 is cylinder A using a double solenoid, while cylinder B use a single solenoid. To suck the cups, it use a type of vacuum. Once map 202 reach the last step, it will turn on a red light and will also give a signal to MAP 203 to move the next operation.
Assalamualaikum. I am Ahmad Milim. I will talk about the functions of the MAP 203. For the MAP 203, A is signified as the rotary actuator, while the B is the gripper arm. The sensor have three positions, which is A0, A1, and A2. The initial position is the A on the sensor A1. Input signal is from the port 0.10. A move to position sensor A2. B hold the object. A move to position A0. And B let go of the object for several seconds. And then B hold the object. A move to position A2, and then B let go of the object. Next, A move to position A1 and light up, and then A send the signal to port 10.06 for the output. Next, for the MAP 204, A signifies the shaft that moves up and down, while the B shaft is moving left and right, while the C is the gripper arm. And in this MAP, there is sensor there, which is 4 position: A0, A1, B0, and B1. The initial position is A on the sensor A0, while B on the sensor B0. When there is signal from input 0.09, A move to the A1 and C grab the object, and then A move to the position A0. Next, B move to B1 A move to position A1 and C let go of the object for several seconds. Then C grab the object again and A move to the position A0. Next B move to position B0 and then A move to position A1 and C let go of the object. Next A move to the position A0 and last send the signals to the output, which is port 10.07.
Next, for the initial condition, it happen when the process keep going, then when we press the stop button, all the process stop immediately, then the MAP201 machine will turn to normal first position.